In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems on empirical and molecular formula of a compound easily. So ensure you stay to the very end of this video. Having known that, let's go into the details of the video. So the question here says, find the empirical formula of a compound which on analysis yields the following as the reacting masses. So we have carbon to be 2 gram, hydrogen to be 0.34 gram, oxygen to be 2.67 gram. So we have to find the molecular formula if its relative molecular mass is 60. So we are given the relative atomic masses to be this. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is to outline the elements in the question. So elements here, okay, we have carbon, we have hydrogen, and we have oxygen. All right, so now that you have done this, next thing you have to do is to bring out the, in this question we have reacting masses. Okay, reacting mass will be, now note that there are some questions that come with percent composition instead of reacting mass. So in such question, if you have percent composition in a question, you is the writing reacting mass. What you write here with percent composition, but since what we have the reacting mass, we make use of the reacting mass. So reacting mass here, we have them to be, for carbon we have it to be 2, and for hydrogen we have it to be 0.34. For oxygen we have it to be 2.67. okay, so after doing this, you then bring out the relative atomic masses. AR will be, so the relative atomic mass of carbon there is 12, that of hydrogen is 1, and that of oxygen is 16. Alright, so now that I've done this, you then look for mole ratio. So mole ratio will be reacting mass over relative atomic mass. So to get the mole ratio, it's going to be 2/12 for this, and this one is 0.34 over 1, and this one will be 2.67 over 16. So let me punch this to my calculator and get them respectively. Okay, so 2 divided by 12 is going to give us 0.1666 if we are leaving it to 4 decimal places. Okay, this one if we divide it one by 1, so it's still give me 0.34. So let's add 0 to make it 4 decimal places. So 2.67 divided by 16 will give us 0.166, okay, 8 if you are giving it in 4 decimal places. Alright, so having done this, next thing you will say will be, let me wipe this question. Okay, so the next thing will be to divide through by the least mole ratio. So the least mole ratio here is 0.1666. So divide through by it, so it's going to give us 0.1666 over 0.1666. okay, then 0.34. okay, let's add 0 to this over 0.1666. okay, then we have 0.1668 over 0.1666. So when you, let me punch my calculator and get them respectively. Okay, so you're going to have it, this one is weight 1, so this one will give us 2, this one will give us 1, so we have 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to this to this. Okay, so now that we have gotten this, therefore our empirical formula will be, so the carbon, we have the molar number to be 1, so the hydrogen, we have the molar number to be 2, and the oxygen, we have the molar number to be 1. So this will be the empirical formula for this compound. Alright, so now let's wipe down some parts and solve for molecular formula. Okay, so we're asked to find the molecular formula if its relative molecular mass is 60. Okay, so it's going to give us, we're going to have since we already have the empirical formula to be this, so to get the molecular formula, this is how you do it. This is the formula apply equals 60. The 60 the relative molecular mass. Now there are some questions. If we do not give you the relative molecular mass, we give you the relative density, and you will not be given the relative molecular mass. Note that relative molecular mass is twice rather relative density. So if you are giving relative density and non-relative molecular mass, to get the relative molecular mass with the relative density, you have to times that relative density by 2, and we get the relative molecular mass in a question of such some format. So take note of that. So this one we already have the relative molecular mass, so there's no need converting it to relative molecular mass again. So if we simplify this, we're going to have in brackets, so the relative atomic mass of carbon here is 12 plus that of hydrogen is 1. So 1 times, because of 2 at the base, the molar number, okay, plus oxygen is 16. Okay, x equals 60. So when you simplify this, I'm going to have 12 plus 2 plus 16. Okay, x equals 60. Alright, so when you break it down further, we have 12 plus 2 will give us 14. 14 plus 16 will give us 30. X equals 60. Alright, so to get the value of x, you divide both sides by 30. Alright, so therefore our x will be 2. So now that our x is 2, our molecular formula, will be, so these two will multiply. So what it means now, you come and put 2, replace this x with 2, so these two multiply the base of each element here. So when you do it, you're going to have C2H4O2, and this will be the molecular formula of this compound. So guys, this is basically how you can solve problems involving empirical formula and molecular formula easily. And with this, we have come to the end of the class. Hope you learned something interesting. If you're new to the channel, share subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos. Also like, share, mention this video to tell me how you feel. If you seem to have any specific question to ask, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. That's it for this class, guys. Thanks for watching.